The 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge is more than just a muscle car. It's a statement of power, heritage, and modern engineering. As Pontiac makes its long-awaited return to the automotive world, the revival of the legendary GTO Judge marks a new era in American performance, drawing inspiration from the classic late 60s and early 70s models. The 2025 version merges retro styling cues with cutting-edge technology, creating a car that appeals to both enthusiasts of the past and a new generation of performance seekers. At first glance, the new GTO Judge commands attention with an aggressive, wide-bodied stance that immediately evokes memories of its predecessors. The designers have skillfully blended the signature split grille and hidden headlights with modern LED lighting elements. A sculpted hood with a prominent ram air intake not only enhances aesthetics, but also improves performance by channeling fresh air into the engine. The rear features a bold spoiler, wide fender flares, and quad exhaust tips that hint at the beast lurking beneath the hood. Powering the 2025 GTO Judge is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine derived from the legendary LS family, but enhanced with Pontiac-exclusive tuning. This powerhouse delivers an astonishing 750 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most potent muscle cars ever produced. The engine is paired with a standard 6-speed manual transmission, staying true to the muscle car tradition, while an optional 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters is available for those who prefer modern convenience. The Judge is built on a reinforced rear-wheel drive platform, optimized for both straight-line acceleration and cornering prowess. To ensure that the raw power is matched with precision handling, the 2015 GTO Judge features an adaptive suspension system that adjusts damping rates in real time. Magnetic ride control provides a smooth yet responsive ride, allowing the car to transition seamlessly from a comfortable cruiser to a track-ready monster at the push of a button. Brembo performance brakes with 6 piston calipers up front and 4 piston calipers in the rear ensure that stopping power is never in question. A limited slip differential and launch control system help drivers harness all that power effectively, whether on the drag strip or the open road. Inside, the GTO Judge combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. The driver-focused cockpit features premium leather sport seats with Judge-exclusive embroidery, ensuring both comfort and support during spirited driving. A flat ether steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara adds a touch of racing-inspired luxury. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable performance readouts, including real-time horsepower and torque figures, G-force measurements, and a shift light indicator for those who prefer to push the limits. At the center of the dashboard sits a high-resolution 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a built-in performance data recorder. A premium Bose sound system delivers crisp audio quality, but for many enthusiasts, the real music comes from the deep, throaty exhaust note of the V8 engine. Pontiac engineers have even incorporated an active exhaust mode, allowing drivers to switch between quiet operation for city driving and a full-throttle roar that echoes the muscle car glory days. Despite its aggressive nature, the 2025 GTO Judge does not compromise on safety. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Pontiac's engineers have ensured that, while this is a high-performance machine, it is also a car that can be enjoyed daily without sacrificing modern conveniences and safety features. One of the most exciting aspects of the GTO Judge's return is the variety of customization options available. Buyers can choose from a selection of heritage-inspired colors, including carousel red, starlight black, and verdoro green. Unique stripe packages and optional Judge graphics pay homage to the original models, while allowing owners to personalize their rides. Performance upgrades such as carbon ceramic brakes, a lightweight carbon fiber hood, and track-focused suspension tuning are also available for those who want to push the limits even further. As the muscle car landscape evolves, the 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge stands as a bridge between tradition and innovation. While electric and hybrid performance vehicles continue to gain traction, Pontiac has made a bold statement by keeping the spirit of raw, naturally aspirated, and supercharged V8 power alive. However, whispers of an electrified version in the future suggest that Pontiac is open to adapting while maintaining the Judge's legendary performance stats. The arrival of the 2025 GTO Judge has ignited excitement within the automotive community. Collectors, muscle car purists, and modern performance enthusiasts alike are eager to get behind the wheel of this reborn icon. With production numbers rumored to be limited, securing one of these machines may prove to be as competitive as the car itself. Pontiac's return to the market with such a commanding vehicle is a testament to the enduring legacy of American muscle. The 2025 GTO Judge not only honors its past, but sets the stage for what's to come. It is more than just a car. It is a statement of passion, power, and performance. A true Judge that once again rules the road